Hi, I'm Fletch with Fletch Flips. I got a little video here today to show you how to save yourself some cash on boxing things up, cutting down a box, and saving yourself some money on shipping. Over time, it could save you $500 to $1,000 this year. So let's take a look and see what we got. All right, I'm here in Pirate Ship, and an individual purchased 2 parts to a Bissell vacuum sweeper just this morning. And I don't have a box that is close to the size of what I need. The one I have is like almost double the size of what I really need, but it would fit in there very, very nicely if it was smaller. But let's see what this thing will cost just shipping it the way that it is. The dimensions are 24 by 20 by 6, and it weighs 5 pounds. Let's see what the rates are. So on Pirate Ship through UPS Ground, it's $15.33. It's too much for me. It's the cheapest rate there is. So let's see what we do if we cut this box down and see if we can save us some money. All right, so let's change these dimensions. I did a little measuring of how much I can cut this box down. I can change this to 14 inches. So that's pretty significant. The width stays the same, the height stays the same, and I'm leaving the weight at 5 pounds. It might drop it below 5 pounds, but just for the sake of example, here we go. Let's see what it is. Oh, wow, $9.94. I'm in. Saves us almost $6. So let's do it. Now I'm going to show you how I cut this box down. It's super simple. So I have this box. It's the perfect size except for the length here. You can see the 2 pieces I have in there. So here's what I'm going to do. We're going to cut this here in this corner. We're going to cut this corner out. Then we're going to cut this tape and lay my part in there. See what width it's got to be. Right about there is good. So, you cut this, that flap off, and you do it on the other side. Make sure you got a good sharp razor blade. It helps a lot. You don't want a dull one. So now we have our box shortened up, but we got to get rid of this stuff. So, I'm going to cut down this, cut down this, I'm going to cut away some of that piece, and some of that piece. And here we go. I'm going to score this down the side. By scoring it, it allows you to flip that in there real easily. But before we do that, we got to get this in here. Flip that up. I got it. Now we got a short box. Cut that off. You're all set. I'll tape that up more in a minute. You get the point. Now you got a box that'll save you $6. Takes a couple of minutes. Not a bad hourly wage. While we're at it here, let's take a quick second and I'll show you how much money we made on this Bissell vacuum sweeper we picked up at a garage sale for $5 just a few months ago. Tore it apart, sold the parts. Take a look at this. That's not all bad. Saved ourselves $6 by spending a minute or two cutting a box down and made $126 profit on a vacuum we picked up for $5. You gotta love this reselling. We greatly appreciate you watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that like button and leave some comments of what you think of our videos and what we might do to improve, or you just want to say thanks. We greatly appreciate you.